a dark syrup that is actually the byproduct of sugarcane and sugar beets during the sugar extraction process. What's up everybody, happy holidays. We are back again with another episode of Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. In North America, molasses is normally used with things such as baked beans, barbecue sauce, and baked goods like gingerbread cookies. But you might find yourself asking the question, okay, so how do we get from sugarcane to molasses? That, my friend, is a good question. Here's the short version. Sugarcane is harvested in places like Barbados, Brazil, Colombia, Thailand, and parts of the US. The juice is extracted, and that juice is clarified, concentrated, and crystallized. The crystals are then turned into golden raw sugar, which is then further purified. And it's here, during this purification process, that we get molasses. This is accomplished by blending the raw sugar in a hot syrup and then spinning off the dark brown syrup, molasses. Did you know molasses was first exported to the US from the West Indies in order to make rum? And this was the most popular sweetener in the US until the 1880s. Why, you ask? Why? Well, at the time, it was much cheaper than refined sugar. However, after the end of World War I, refined sugar prices dropped and US consumption rose, dethroning molasses as the king of sweeteners. Sugarcane and sugar beets aren't the only thing that can be used to make molasses. There's also pomegranates, sorghum, carob, and dates. Okay, so get this. There's actually many types of molasses. For example, light molasses, also known as sweet, first, or Barbados molasses. This is produced after the first boiling, and it's commonly used in baking and in marinades. Dark molasses, also known as full or second molasses. Dark molasses is produced after the second boiling, where more sugar is extracted. Blackstrap comes from the third boiling. Thick, dark, bitter, but also said to have the most health benefits. Sulfur and unsulfured. Sulfur dioxide is sometimes added as a preservative because molasses can ferment. This addition usually only makes the molasses less sweet. Fancy molasses. This is condensed sugarcane juice, so it's the lightest and sweetest of all of them. And cooking molasses. This is a combination of fancy and blackstrap. Now, depending on which molasses, it might offer several different minerals and vitamins, such as niacin, B3, B6, riboflavin, calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper, iron, phosphorus, and sodium. Molasses may help in alleviating menstrual pains, relief from constipation, may help in keeping your bones healthy, and in maintaining a healthy nervous system. It may also help in preventing headaches and fatigue. Oh, hey, before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Do you like molasses? How do you use it? Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this. Huh? What was that? Gingerbread cookies? Yeah, gotta go, guys. Bye.